Where are you? Why is it so late again?
I'm home. Please don't start with the questions.
It's past midnight. For the 5th time this week, why are you so late?
Work is overwhelming. Can't a man just come home and rest?
Rest? You barely say a word to me anymore. Is it really just work?
What else would it be, Sarah? Don't make this into something it isn't.
You're hiding something. I can feel the distance between us growing every single night.
You're imagining things. I'm just tired, not a criminal.
Then tell me where you've been. Just tell me the truth.
I have nothing to say. Leave it alone, Sarah. I'm going to bed.
Who is calling at this hour? It's 1 a.m. Who is messaging him now? Just one look. I need to know I'm not crazy.
What are you doing over there? Drop it! Right now!
I saw a message from a name I don't know. See you tomorrow?
Who is that, Mark? You have no right to snoop. That is a total invasion of my privacy.
Privacy? We're married. If you have nothing to hide, why are you so furious?
Because I don't trust you anymore. You're making up problems where there are none.
I'm not making them up, Mark. You're the one drifting away. I just want to be part of your life again. Is that too much to ask?
You're suffocating me. I work to provide for this family, and this is how you thank me? If you're so suspicious, maybe you need some time to think about why you don't trust me.
Where are you going? It's 2 a.m. Don't you dare walk out of this room. We need to talk.
Get out of my way, Sarah.
If you leave now, don't expect me to be here when you come back.
Fine. Do whatever you want.
Mom? Is Dad gone?
Go back to bed, sweethearts. It's just a misunderstanding. Are they gonna get a divorce? Is that why Dad left? No, never. Daddy is just very stressed. You don't have to lie to us, Mom. We heard everything. Sleep now. Everything will be better in the morning. I've lost him. I've really lost him.
We can't let it end like this, Jace. We have to do something.
What can we do?
We're just kids. We fix the bridge. We make them remember why they fell in love. Step 1. We need a peace offering.
I don't even know where to start.
Mom, we need your help. We need to go to the store.
What for, honey?
A surprise. For Dad.
You kids don't have to do this. It's between me and him.
No, Mom. It's about us. We live here too. Does it sound like him? It sounds like the Dad we miss.
Good morning. Can I help you with anything special?
We need the most beautiful bouquet you have, please. It's for an apology. Is this enough? It's all we have.
It's more than enough. Let me pick out the best roses for you.
Mom, when Dad comes back, you have to promise not to shout.
I promise. I'll just listen.
Perfect. Now we just need Dad to walk through that door. Come home, Dad. Is it him?
What? What is this?
You forgot something, Dad.
Did you write this for me?
Mom was crying all night.
We don't like it when the house is quiet. I didn't think you'd still be awake.
The kids thought you might need a reminder of what you were working for.
I'm sorry, Sarah. I've been an idiot. I was trying to save for a surprise trip for us, and I got so lost in the stress I forgot to tell you.
Mark, I didn't care about the trip. I cared about you.
I realize that now. I was so blind. Don't leave again, okay? I'm here to stay. I promise. Sarah, I know a bouquet of roses doesn't fix months of silence, but it's a start.
It's not about the flowers. It's about the fact that you finally stopped running.
We should probably leave them alone now, Jace.
Let's sit down. No more secrets. I'll tell you everything.
Start with the phone calls. Who were you really talking to?
It was the agency. I was trying to book that cabin by the lake you liked. I wanted it to be perfect.
You're a fool, Mark. We could have just gone to the park.
No more fighting? Can we have a family night?
I wanted to give you the world, but I forgot you already were my world. Absolutely. Family night. Every night from now on.
Can we tell ghost stories?
Only if they're not too scary, Jace.
I think we've had enough scary stories for 1 week.
And I'm sorry I made you feel like you had to check.
I'm sorry I checked your phone. I needed to know.
See, Jace? I told you we could fix it.
You two have more wisdom than both of us combined.
Let's just enjoy being together. Just for tonight.
May I have this dance, Mrs. Miller?
You may.
Everything is finally okay again. We are a team.